Santa, now pedi one.
Mama, you're right.
Kakai, open him. I can't trust that nephew.
Come on, Timmy. Mama, if you turn up, I'm so sad. I don't know, Mama.
Come on, do. Now, why don't I want friend of my family and I see come real? Now, bah. Hey, my can't trust the situation. It's not fear. What? Ye me bear sword thing. You also didn't also look like how I could tell you that. Until me now, you will you are waking so hard. I need to stop at your brain. And I am smoke of chain. There's no coaching. Obani, if you could be chain, the blogger said, me bear here, chinkafa.
And a pizza.
Santa, now pedi one.
Mama, you're right.
Kakai, open him. I can't trust that nephew.
Come on, Timmy. Mama, if you turn up, I'm so sad. I don't know, Mama.
Come on, do. Now, why don't I want friend of my family and I see come real? Now, bah. Hey, my can't trust the situation. It's not fear. What? Ye me bear sword thing. You also didn't also look like how I could tell you that. Until me now, you will get it. You are waking so hard. I need to stop at your brain. And I am smoke of chain. There's no coaching. Obani, if you could be chain, the blogger said, Bebe here chinkafa.
And a pizza.
Santa. Now pede one.
Mama, you're right.
Takai open. I can't trust it in a few.
Come on, Timmy. Mama, if you turn up, I'm so sad. I don't know, Mama.
Come on, do. Now, why don't I want friend in a man fed and I see calm real? Now, bah. Eh, my can't trust the situation. It's not fear.
Yeah, share you who say Nanama Ajimama Brown, now or no so any eti honoma. In Crawford Cassana Nanama any say or ye disabled, be so with him. As I in some day be edit again, Nana, say when him who be, a be so when him who be, and it's just a way inviting about on your TV. But Brown tell an intention, you know, they say, what they portray be said the bear. Obi who disable ni bi obeboa no anase who disable ni anase who ye disable a ube who say was won so who ye ejuma because on the ton nsuo street no dey see job way obekọ na ode enam honoma wo ton nsuo ni ade enti no ma wo say who ye disable a eno je say who tumi enye ejuma ubetumi aye ejuma ena eya omo bre enti won so who ye who nam ho na hwen ya wo na hu bia na waboa wo mo na de akoye ne se ode sa suban no e de for de nkrofo e na amanfo a report no amaga na police for and I say NHS say omo akwa channel no ni video e hu ye ite abusu abo ka me ho na mema mabedwa for akwaba Bruce akwaba
yeah
Prophet 99
oh ma
bacha akwaba
me jozo papa no yemi ade na wo so e
radio do
da Christmas
o sha brante suba woda ne dia e suba papa
yo ba medical chia ye nana sante hene zami chia the retired COP Kufibuachi zami chia the brother Jake our Leicester UK
brother Jake ya chia
Dr. Bruce zami chia T4 you see doctor you see a degree ne go high then I magari say the cars no o me da ma no say o ma di the cars 3 o timi to duty but say o me the cars ni say abaji 3 cars nya
yes
ba me class e bla gaza so me hear me near be ma no the way on 90 and the way o ye no ho e ko Nanama platform so no Nanama the host the platform no any kwa ofa so e the host to crofo no amafo enya tenase beta follow Nanama go hwe Nanama the program o ye na se onim bibi ye won se bia sa na adwuma ade onim ye bia no onim masa ko kabo otimi obitimi di tomatoes kogo etimi di ye drums sa na ma no sa program o ye it is about sa na no wa eva cho wa ba hihye ne ma no na wa bo ema ma se ho se o na bibini kwa kwa keto kwa timi ni sa yes and ma we dia this that me say yes support no kwa kwa obetima ye ne chensa obetimi eye ka e move no the platform so oh say me ta follow no eti
omo wonya accident ye twa omo 9 years
yeah eti me ta follow no part what you say to say abrante ya dia oye Nanama no ya we say onye bafan
yeah
what I say but ya we say onye bafan but kwa ofa so ye no so bi o bafan no anything o ever attend eba the platform so and o show the attitude I say o bafan so what I say o wie no Nanama ga say the wie o ne gwa ne dia go to say she know onu say ga ne bafan eti after Nanama show that you know me fa ne se bia o papa ehu ye ne so papa wu a etuji wa agasa ena ono no nia waye ne ho no a chese bia obi a odi pe mufre adum fa ne sen odi pe haya na aha aka se odi pe trend se be ka se bia ba fine bi so TikTok na say akwa bia wa shitampia na ne pasa adwe no we wu no
tupa
me fe mo fa ne sen tupa ke do US I'm fe and see bia juri say ya aha obi an de wi a opese obeye ne ho a ebe amansa ede ade ho no etimi abrantie die ya yakoche ne no me hu de eti ampoche no yesi odi fodukofo kwan be so odi yale we energy kofo sika na ana odi yale we abie ni platform bia amafo hu no bobo say omo se ne sika tu na account mo say me yale ntino metimi nya adwuma me yale ntino metimi nya hwe etimo mu ame me ni the result a ya che no nipa ti o manga na ha etwituo ekum krofo ya chi o mu ne wodi 1 month asem na egu ya ti o hwe bio nipa ti Ghana ha o etwituo ekum krofo NPP kum ya fa ne sen JB dankwa egosi sen police ni ya okum ma adwa e okuma se egosi sen egosi sen so je na onkosi ni buo wo dentura ana me boa egosi sen a process tie senam politician for so be petumi ontimi chantro dia ontimi nya cosmetic ma ye no ene ye ntwo musugum me ba onya botama mi ma hiti pa politician se no mutimi chantro e ka sama dia omutimi nye me ba ma yese mo man ma yese mo ba so mo nya hwe ana ye ntwo mutum se obi pre NPP a o se me ba me ye mo ka akwan de amamo onye tu mini wi a o se enye MP ene ye ka akwan how dare you ene ka chere se ye be ka akwan ya DC and I first said DC and DCMC ya ono ene be robi na ba abesiwu MP so eti wo le DC na ye ka akwan ba mo ka san chen obi ti computer chi first na throw paper letter ni apost to call me dem an ko school na ma ko school
say na wo go ni de o se otumi
me mint mi mbo
that's a paper
me ko ekurase
that's a paper
me ko ekurase
that's a paper
eno anu refesi a Dr. Bruce obi ti throw letter ye time kwa no o ko si oba pe kwa na edin ye throw letter ene mo ba ohun broni e wa bo chira letter no throw e ko o se e dem mo meso o ti mi no ba la o ma ka go for asem pa wo no be to computer chi no browse bla no be discussing no o se no e fraud o se fraud we so ne warning o di nya san e di o twini to ase wo fon se amafo e no moa ba na onim se odi no ho abro na o twini fon sa no ebe affect udompe no se si officer we strong go ebe affect ni dompe no ba mpese mi che se sa ni na oye no aye ko chi no ko chi no kwa be so ba ko ba kro no ono odi no ho ono so obesira ade so no obedi na onye adwumadin a mo je life money the time will come away oluman no so obetima srade be mu a offer to him
na brand ekra srade no oluman no ntumi srade say no ya brand o srade dia oyo oluman na so obesira oyo
oluman na so obetima srade na so obetima wale say me ne yere neti na obetima ayo mo si akosrade aba
obi srade
what you say bro akogo second I hope so dem no that I think say that since 2,000 ton and the Musa guy no secretary or bar the never come Debbie or ya didn't say no the never go him say or bar say ya Madiba the number or him say ya straight say ya or him say ya no bar say ya no say ya Madiba when they be secretary overhead on no most I come in the original painting and the nice for say I say and ya go in and they be on the man in nine the two more former okay to say they never go you say na oh why ya manaka no when all say omo this say junkie for no
obi o ha no anya drive some of them
what just here traffic mu obi timi sra dia what we say guy bi wala pass ya junkie bi wala pass ya la pass la national onu me say o te be ja ka no ho master patron bi ko to the lady why me nya bodan for why
sao
me nya bodan for me patron why
say we hu no
wo de me be ka asem no na say one man is can so a yo be ya no
wo be say did you watem
wallahi madam to for bo ayen ni so ni ban and osra de eni e ka san go fe mu fi oh god so that's gana no de be mu ye time for nje onu o ye gana ni polo hwere ade amoke makochi no ejimiye
debit
sa ko fe mu fi se ho e ba e fe se
Lebanese
de yela wait for Fulani for e who fi for the buy ni je
that's how we don't fraud obi we there fraud obi and no man report it to the police because police from 50 people
fraud kwakwa be so
and say what boom crofo I say we boo obi
no kwa be so ojo mesika na
when of us go dey say dey bia omo dey betumi ase but
omo try me bia go asia na say omo anka bia ke say wa kwa jo besika se ne nanti e we ro de chi ne dia nya sanim e na ajibi mo ja no
enye nanti na we boo obi e betumi aba say waka say oh advocate for omo ye disabled to discover sin so and I say bia what the sad de no e na ejeje amanfo sika
enye boni sister
o say
enye boni and omo di nkwala be jira traffic mu omo kita speaker a o me de traffic mu a omo di ska no omo fa ko be omo ko di eno so e
na say wo fuwa de abrante
aye adwuma ba ya so oba wi aso so be ye ejido ono na kasa traffic mu buesia mema mo ho odin no aso be nsa obesa de traffic mu na ko fa akwala Sebio oye jalefo ne de ba jira kwa ho ne yes sika say e dini ko hospital say doctor say okoye no operation no e be ko say ne di sasa mo di ni na o mo de kwa hin o mo ko di e di ade na because mo so traffic mu mo kita for say box car no do what we are no mo jira say ye fi chodas one I was and ya was difference bebre omo doso na Ghana police for mo to say mo office when na mo che baby but ya scam di ko but person we krema mi o me say Ghana ha obi a ti me ye yope but e say o ye aden according to say ne be ya onkoto emremu na mra ne chi odi a achew abrante we say mo say ni oye e no de ji kofo sika say o de boa ekofo di a etini a che na nya sendim iti IGP o ma ja bo e no na traffic mu no make ekofo mu kita box traffic ni so a radar o mu je say card mu kita card o ma printing nkwala o mu sabio o mu di dem a put it egu card no so I dey say nkwala we oyale say we ni biani doctor say this is going operation e dey 100 million 200 million ni maame ni papa obi eni bi eti ye gigi sky e akogwa police ni ben eno what me chi sa agofo we ba ko say ko chere me office
so be an report wo obi an ko report o mo so musika no mo hu be dia father say so be an report dia say e
imrantie ni in my wa won bet ma ko ya adwuma obet ma to ade no o mo je traffic mu ss ka say o mo di ko boa ayalefo imrantie am go odin sana dogi wo we ni type sana me minati na me tu me type no mo kita box say almost says ka traffic mu say o mo di ko boa ayalefo anye ba ge me no company hura company ba ko ebia La Paz mba be say company ba ko be say 5 na Nigeria o Sakama be 5 o ko Nyamiche be 5 Kwashima be 5 o ko Accra be 5 na say company no wa jiko fu ko la bebre so o twenu o say yan sesrade he say we o twin ni to ase wo fom srade so o ko boa na o di wo nenuma mo say yakochino for what reason
Odi 499 actually na dey ebusia me pacho wetumi eja wo comment e wo comment section na sim dey ja wo comment wo hono mo amugina so online no na mi ensure mo nko so
ye je Ghana ha ne ma yesika wo ban Ghana ha no mo eye computer yi
mo nko so share my mo ja wo comment e wo comment section na say me bisa Ben Bruce I brought Tena there now, is it the right thing to do?
Make sure we take for no be or I did be organ and my friend impersonation. It means say a dear any men I say me. Say be a mania doctor, my could never send me a doctor.
That's your mochi, I brought to be
yeah. Me police me bread be a police my confana carry smash.
Soldier.
Yes. Now saying why does not mean it's right. Me a brand no if or yeah no or the actress say if we are some your nipa bisa na yam warmer you okay. But some bit go to the extent say only for the opinion. No, it's not right. And no dear. Me nyadwen. Na your friend say we are send you can obi a the way out here. But and take advantage of it na e fan ye bibia sebe obi be ka say e dey na esi. Say only na ma ye show na ma nim say ipam or ye dey achi. Skits those things somewhere. But what they call outside na obi oni innocently now catch so me be them to boa me. No wow. Now what a fraud against the law. Thank you. Against the law and my encouraging. Send your can your uncle for a brand and say, now we share skate be will be on no more than some bubble from Sahana. As a skate to run share, you did Saboa, no by you'll be a woman, who crowd when they see you be a prayer, won't dim the cake you can. And your fraud, I see a chop.
Oh, sir,
what's idea, but when you see, a ma say no nipa krana nipa wonyom because una we kra obe for but you are not genuinely no problem eti na besides no adwuma ye most of it no ye di sua de ye di kire nkofo ade it's a what the kire ade a emfa kwa fraud especially na say no be can say be about say one god or start here in any baby or start say one word mark upon children in ma abroche for it's wrong. You are not, you see, sad oh yeah, spiritually you think you've gotten away with. Who is spiritual back you know? Assemble out meaning now.
One God one
oh yeah, you know, yeah, and you're wrong. I won't say meaning is right. It's never right. Until we are as much as ye to wa ye my say ye di ensa ebako cancer. What does that cancer ma? Asomation. And what na afi ye chiro bisa say dey why. Wonam won po camera down so. Camera down so na wotwa na wo dey ya dey a. Fair enough. Baby I wonam wo dey say dey obi a onim confonso mouse ka. He some of this omo nine omo say they claim to be omo nine. I had a chance to see them. Obi or cast right. Obi wa yere nam try. Obi asidan a wo na. Thank you. Every mind is a business.
Miss Samina na say obi a no says wo na ho ba ya o mo papa na e no mo 3 and we see abrosan.
Now ultimi wa retra, ultimi wa retra. Why do you beg? What I say? Let's be real kaka. And as I say no, I say obi kra obetimi aye adwuma kaka say me kwasade because you say the easiest way to go. But you won't conform so accept your money them and then they are making meaningful contribution to society. Me, I want to encourage that. There is one a friend is saying a shoemaker or what a Beka area home. Cripple. I want to go and interview that guy because Oshe Obia and Kokono says that yeah, Juma. That's what I need to encourage. Now say what they are the channel for over fraud there. I don't think anybody should condone this thing. It's not the right thing. MP this car. Who information? Cornea Quachano will be ye be Bonia. That makes you a Ghanaian. Maybe a Ghana needs music with the Bonia. I'll make sure that you are arrested. And only way no, but I make castle a bimu ye be ensure me into one copy. No, that's not the way to go. Intermediate, no, yeah, and police action is the right way. A bit more be on those who ye be no, on those way to say, hey, na me, but Yan Quachano, no, no more, and I miss me, sir, probably, or 1 year or ye no be ancient. Some so, some are baby, no be a not a crepola. Yabende o na kra huni o nim nia o konso o na no di twifama bia ko interview guy bia na ne nine ti se do nanti ya elu ba bia heal no eye kru kra heal o na se do kan sisi no de o achia no a time will come obenya osteoporosis so say den eye time bia for the spine no ye cure into wo ya de over time no one kasa no you are putting your life at risk. Why do you do this? Oh yeah, Bema one thing. Oh yes, get what they my family. But so be piano be buni padie. It's not the way to go.
In one of his videos, he who said na osunsu, and I think say he wanted to advocate Bibi a church say so we are disabled. Ube to me ayejuma. That was the reason that or he was invited on Unia TV by Nana Ama McBrown. Who say? Is he doing this for trends?
You can't do this for trend. Me, if allow only a child for trend. When you make was a brand now building, the brand needs to be built carefully. And until that, and then who obit says Shatawali and then you blows are a brand. Brand, no, I saw what I did now, or people, or Yanui. That's a crab one conform to be. And to make sure it's a brand now, we know, then to be a mouth. Look alike, your friend says, they are not representing, I'm saying, promise. You're betting one of their way, no. Since then, no, his image has fallen. Don't do things that will land you into the police custody. And no say, and yet, skates now, no, you know, but I know I called you before now, I'm fine, man. What I said, as much as you are there, let's also be a role model small. Oh, yeah, be no be sure. It means that be obeying, people look up to it. Enti se obi oh papa nia wo ye me fe me pese me boa na utimi boa foforo ti se nia video bi en right hwe ya guy no utimi boa na akwaji sika na odi abeboa kofon bia wa set up NGO enkofo aba sika obligum miminim sika obligum wo wa kakaka bia wa hwe omo ya na wakom ho wako present scam on says eniama na me ye sika no we na me ye everybody be crying to help you. But I say, we not send me the fraud there. And yet,
okay. But if for 99, I'm not for whom is a crew Marcasano. It was so what they were doing number and son of what did Jumashe, I dream, just I dream Bolobo, and I'm out for Edinam. Do you see it that way?
I said a penny phone now, almost an Salian. Maybe a penny, also a penny. And they were penny, you will degree. Penny from good parliament. All of them are Sadian. Say, it's one so I can. Almost got to say, a way to my thing. As all by the April to me, I dream you to about more real, and remember not be a movie. Yeah? Yeah, more big contract over by moi. A city paper is a 4 or 5 so. As long as wow, contract, Usabeka. sika no nipa ba se 3 se 4 no sika no o ma gimu percentage e de ba be do sum no untimi nya adwuma no se na ma ne pe no go wo so pe kakra bi e atafu wa chiri e de mo se e ba adwuma ne we o ma we adwuma ne we e de fraud no fi pe de fraud so e na e ba
okay so na I say we encourage what the guy is doing. Say Juma any huntino on yes, sir, no book for.
Me say, near boy we ye no. Before break the traffic, more we yes hard no. The baby break or gun, yes hard no. This idea, oh, my boating, no one can send tears hard no. No one can send tears hard no. Now, what watching Papa? Say, oh, dear, New Year no. Ghana Mrachi. Oh, one vessel. So bidi e fa ne say container abeja traffic mu enye ni baba kuso omodoso I remember here be na Ghana abandonment is where o can say mo bi anto ande traffic mu bi no na e wan abai me so
o say I think before yeah
before me so and also be afi traffic about so omo fi mu but omo ti me fi omo say back. Oh, it is a traffic. Can you go? Ya na so say ma obi e preach work can. Ya na so ye, is amafo ye.
Aswati. Hey, first.
Mi sa amafo ye.
But aswati.
Oh, comment ça passe na mu dem ye? Amafo ye. E fa say nyame asem na mo ka wa kam no. Nyame asem tie. Wo be ka nyame asem a. Ahomachi. Ana anwumre na mantem na market na preaching car na trotro na nipa na betre mu no uni pressure e da ne suti ya be fu car na be bi okọ uni ma dwen e da nipa no so a be fu car no o be se na adwen o de step nipa no car no enye car mo kwa na kanya mesem wa nipa be nya ade sakawo o ye evangelist a yesi mantem no e ye wodi a because for me to be tracker mu say omo tikasa no omo pita envelope
deaf and down
yes now to check now what first kasa shemu a obayew
so omo ni kasa
o so aba na ba
yes ba ku bi o ye to say o ye deaf and down say ka ne ko hwe aso ti mu sa was Jesus no to
Unya ho hwe oh yet no eye nem bebre a mbiba bebre ya gira so e de yes ade obo wo padwumadi it say abrochire ayekoi abrochire ko e makwa abrochire pen oyo obi a oda wo Ghana ha otime da manebo 7 na wa sorry na o twi wo mu udi di wiase na wa go twi osin oyo obi a o sorry ntem oyo obi a o ye ni heni onya adwuma nne kokọ baako mienu 3 days time me mabre na me nko mabre na me yelita kokọ abotiri a sa suban obayi obaye eti no bi kwa abotiri a o si abotiri adi and abotiri na me de me sa befi because of say eni ne ma no ye wa hanu no o de kwa abotiri broni o de tam na ye adwuma o broni o de tam na ye adwuma almost 7 na make sure 7 na we wo Bono the hours na ye adwuma boni ka just say me pon 2 o'clock about pon 9 o'clock bono the hours na ye adwuma the hours no so o make sure say obia be di ma so pepe e say o kwa abotire na o say o do adwuma be 7 na o timi da ma ne bo be 7 fasa wa be sense adwale dia o be kona eyi wadi ka say awa ba no o kwa akana fo o mo ya de Africa fo ya de slowly to na wona ba no na ni pesa nemu say o kwa adwuma because wan kwa one be chere that camera no the fraud ni dey if you pay for so and ma fraud yet timefo up to now and also fraud yes say you fraud be dey say you say fraud ba me so for you be fraud because I be so for we dey also be gangster man pa ba me fraud sir
some you na ena odi for 99 aka no on director blues. Now Obi as a more okay, I say first to comment. Obi say Evans or say so where were you when Nana Agra was doing her fake business in Ghana? People are complaining. People were complaining and reporting to police. What did Ghana police do about that? Agrada was in Agrada not offroading for reporting. I say what fraud or so Ghana police a day and no way we know and then someone Evans Hola Walker Ronnie. Okay, first to comment here say Monja will comment our comment section as when you free topic we so now yeah for the next topic. Honorable Alan Kyeremanteng, if it is our better say and our press conference can say we're resigning, what in the party say our call movement for change in the nature say amount for any train the Srani Abasa, a bit of Montia say, I will be sad or a last born and because it's Trimoya the dodo, a bill so say now. Oh, I am particular Britana Dre. Osuru kokroko na kasakre ehunu so na afrafranto and dey wo kwan there's a man for questions or mu bisa dey na bebere kwa and you so ba be kasa na you e kasa e wo say ni kunu no oye the man for Ghana ni pa Ghana ehia no pa no oba pa otani kunu echi den pila until si ni kunu die ono na Ghana ehia no ye ko hwe video ne mbra na ye hwe Emrantia almost so why honorable Kyeremanteng poster a free party office in him say or free body any one cop say I am bloody. Now go have video no ember ever to uncle.
Ala ultimate this as a fool now. Why? Who posted to me Tare party officer? I don't know how dynamite. Why? About Kokranka. What did you what who said? Or we had Paboni for? Why? Why do you know? Yes, I have not Kajik Kakrana couple for 2 Kakram. Oh, we are bogus. They've been Jackie on Kaho. Jackie Kaho. Allow ultimate this as a fool now. Why? Who posted to me Tare party officer? I don't know how dynamite. Why? About Kokranka. What did you who said? Or we had Paboni for? Why? Why do you know? Yes, I have not Kajik Kakrana couple for 2 Kakram. Oh, we are bogus. They've been Jackie on Kaho. Jackie Kaho.
Will agree with me that now the signal is clear and it is more than possible that this will happen.
Who is Alan Kyeremanteng? Tell us about him.
Alan Kyeremanteng is the good man. He's the honest man. He's the man with vision. He's what Ghana needs at this time in our.
And for me, this move, some say, is a clearly political suicide mission for your husband.
Come again.
He cannot win the elections in 2024 as he's seeking to go independent.
There is nothing impossible if God permits it. Amen.
Thank you very much.
Agree with me that now the signal is clear and it is more than possible that this will happen.
Who is Alan Kyeremanteng? Tell us about him.
Alan Kyeremanteng is the good man. He's the honest man. He's the man with vision. He's what Ghana needs at this time in our
And for me, ma'am, this move, some say, is a clearly political suicide mission for your husband.
Come
He
again.
cannot win the elections in 2024 as he's seeking to go independent.
There is nothing impossible if God permits it.
Thank you very much.
You will agree with me that now the signal is clear, and it is more than possible that this will happen.
Who is Alan Kyeremanteng? Tell us about him.
Alan Kyeremanteng is the good man. He's the honest man. He's the man with vision. He's what Ghana needs at this time in our.
And for me, ma'am, this move, some say, is a clearly political suicide mission for your husband.
Come
He
again.
cannot win the elections in 2024 as he's seeking to go independent.
There is nothing impossible if God permits it.
Ala untimi ni sa se fu we na why you post that me tare party officer ni sa nya na ha dai no ma ye why e baba kokora nka wo
ade a wait wa wo ya ade ubegu party nako what did you
what did you fe na wo hu se omu ye dipa bonefo
dada na fini utimi na ka se fusa
why
me why no on tare bi
me ya sa hwa na aka je kakra na aka 442 kakra because o ko tare ha omu ye bogos da bi je ki de on ka
video no any after by who say ranty so mu bu efu omo nte ase onye won ka ye party no ho de ne party office na nya na rent my intimi e wa why poster everyone you who say na yere so ma Patricia ono so eka nsɛm a ɛkyɛ sɛ ɔyerepa ɔtani kunu eti me pa so ja comment ɛwɔ comment section na say ne gina so ma yɛ enko baabi a yɛwɔ interesting topics and a discussion ɛma mo enti no enko baabi a mo ka me ho na yɛn san ma mo akwa baabi poster na yɛ wa why you wait me at you because behind the scene na 99 odi for kase
Oh, yeah, let me actually. So be a poster and so why? As if the party has a party instructor say, well, I know it has to be with the consent of the person now or but you see, and then 99 can be said. This is not a time for jubilation for NDC. Maybe NDC near. This is a time to do what we call sober reflection. You see, Alan, and this is 14 years pa, or you'll be or appealing to the floating voters because of his gentility in this Zanyamanyamano, or appealing to what? The floating voters. By all means, floating voters near hardcore NDC or NPP, they can be swayed. Almost undecided about war, baby ever. It is Alan atwene ho na mate se Kennedy so wa betwene ho no mabom a NDC NPP nyina yi because Ghana o hwe yen mathematics ni ama obetimi nya aba 3.5% of the total votes now obe what we call the key maker. It means that two parties no obi entimi nya 50%. One timi nya 50% ese nipa no nya 3.5 or 5% no moko enu na indum na all try say ko betimi nya even at least 2%. Enti nipa timi nya 5% of the voter. It means that mo amaka no ese moko to him na moko ka se masa yen trust ne kasa. Trust me, there is no way Alan Kyeremanteng will join the NDC. No, there is no way Canada Japan will join the NDC. Edu sa time na ye keka enutina fitin ro ha NDC jubilate because ama abano ayemu they wish Alan should stay in fact na enye say people are we na but Alan wo hwe nkofo kra na omko nra na omunye NPP for nkofo na omko ho omunye o people who believe say it's time to change things.
Okay.
And those people are what we call the floating voters. It is a NPP before the coin, now ultimate trade bomb even 1 million votes. That is crazy. And no sano, trust me. Ya two abani you beka area no, obi anya 50%. Ya kwa run off. Obet me aka so. I had the number belong to that. And send NPP now also for independence. You do parliament. Or go join in before. Because that's where he belongs. It's the NDC shouldn't, jubilate. And your time for sober reflection. Now me, a similar Mikhail, I have a John Dramani Mahama. Why here? He will hold the sword again. That is my personal opinion.
Odi 99. Yes, you also no crying ye na fafanto.
Emre ade mani pebia. Emre mani pebia. Na ebisa ye kan Ghana hakasa no ede bebia. So be de mi ko share amanunsemu a. Eso de wi a onya asema ye hodu no fa. So be ni party mo a also could behave what so the way you hold you for Gabranti you got to take at la cash the party the poster I hope say when you form video no air call rounds IGP 8 minutes no what was saying sala I call protocol na IGP 8 minutes no because of say the be politics so IGP ko chine see e be ka say hey crowd dey crab wasa kwaba ye kan wi ye pe kwa before say be aji be fio basaka 99 na say dogi tiwe e no ko why ala cash poster ka ye be chin second spell the nade be ere ka say maro e favor ebinimo ba en favor ebinimo ala ebina papa ye kan Dr. Bruce Ken fio fi party ni mo no ye betima to aba ye to ewie no what is okay in the vote beka ba o miade ho o twa ne hunama NPP moja na do enye NDC moja Kennedy o twa ne hunama na NPP moja enye NDC moja ba o ne bi se na ala atini hu se kele Japan so ma ko ne free FM ma na anko yi ama na se passe Kennedy so ka so o te ne ho a se ade a ko mo ka so wo ba di no kura pa ewo ti o mo ho a awo ko bian MPP biom di a ene ka ebetime take MPP for 12 years ase no won betime al cover tini se ba se ke Japan so be ka se bia okay ni amodi ye ala no na se na amodi ye no masa ye the safety sade a me so me twe me ho ko ti me party na se Kennedy say on for the vote e ko gani NPP ala so ko for the vote e ko gani NPP dia ebe take MPP 12 years as a wetman I'll cover. At the time, Kasa Kennedy and Allah, they are strong pillar in our party. One of strong pillars in our party. And the Kennedy is in the power. And to Mahuni on it. They do work in your noy. The Kennedy pin who pay over say, you to now, on more party in Ano, or Mudana Pakudinichi. You to know party no. Bakodi nechi oba se baka epanyifo olumo afon kwa na bakodi ba o mechi na ye bisa say sali ba two we twomo wi a the next person in MPP ni yohan ba o mia kwa betima gina ama party no ana why do when we na muka sa e ma party no amka ye dem e ba party no eti se ala ti awate no hono meme side ndie baby eye baby so a enye ne se kese ka oluman okoji na home na ska to nya no ofa one ni mane ni na no ni omo ni biti fa mo after all na the winning last year no baby o dey alaka ko share no apart from Trade Minister no ko ye no omuko cabinet meeting meeting abako semana that's all the penny power ho I say yaba all the ministers MPs in aba meeting say ye assembly ebe to board the name this is called alakash first asa na beba chama na go to my say me na moti brofo no na brofo na be chese wow etika position aka egufa de man omo raising high say you no resign apart from minister na kita do kapon o secretary captain badge or party no or the break say party no eti sana ebi no mo kan no kana Japan ebete no ho ka Japan bete no ho minute 9 me hu da
ana
ken no me hu da say sa ko yi amana obetuma te no ho na ko yi amana obetuma ko dwene ala cash so ken and ala cash say ana yesi yesi na boss wo kan no say ade en this for omo gina ho yie no say ka I am say ade no ya ateni because for the beginning no na amafo nim say ba o menya sit na obefa ken vice obefa ken vice ba so no na ka ba o mia e cut ken off na ko oba ko fa a pastor as a vice Pentecost former chairman opoku nyina
ani yo sunsun mo asem ana eniso
mimi mo sunsun but appear physical tama ba o mia nya brane ye se ko be ba no na de na mi hu se before the ba me ba be fisi mahama e be tough mahama me na de na process se kan se second nanado etimi si from mamba omia na kwe to that 12 ma atama the film no mama buy no na tough man e for because say nanado resign see na mamba omia na da me say ba omia ye o mapanyi o enti ye betu aba sa wo se miss corona what about mo no o mo be di edis what must say but nanado so anye sa de no e no me no open sem ko to aba aba na ebe too but a bit difficult the mom because they see the omat system na choki yana me boss come safi efi we buy na yi kwa edi no
okay
what must say eti ni nyina ne say Alan in Japan o me strong pillar e o party no eti party panifo no o mo nye o ma dwuma yi so komo yi o ma dwuma yi pa ana mo tutu nyama yi a sister kana eseka o mo ma panifo mienu we no o mo tom ho ase o mo no mo kasa gent neat na manya information be say manya the secret information be say ya ma panye ku fado ba omia o mo invite Ken e party office o mo ni Ken ko trance ani Ken kan say ka on jemu ma ba omia na ba omia ko Ken so nye da o mo ka jemu
so no akasa ba
ana me kan no se so nye information no o si jemu o so on jemu o so on jemu sadia party panyefo ni bisade say ya from back door na ye no aka na on ti ase dia ye be paint to black ma on be ka say Ahmed wo no ke Japan gba no bi ke Japan so eteni say Ahmed wo e ba we na suma asem kokun one that team working on
say ono na head of security he should be the first to question not him
say no say see one that working na say mo amo no who peti mo black but this the time second Ghana for say you nyansa ni you say ni omo ye no e yo ma dwen e no mo play e ni nyese di pharmaceutical egu from say ye pre ali wa ha ale dey say me gu hu fi me fi say bia na make na ye no papa we for we o me pretty for me pretty mercy ale dey say me gu hu fi me can sama nye no kre eto me so asa today the time Ghana for any bien ebo sabio ya bakufo ono ma Ghana for any bien yo me kan ko na chiro Rolling Star no na ga na fani na miye one go school wani miye obanu coke kra this afiaba go from brace no and e bia ne eba and the bia easy it's the sea no from Atambes to from Bahama to Akufo do Mesu no so ye near bia to the level be say they will say omo panifo no omo beto ya adwe no e de nyesika go mbotu
before that Nigeria who me na me bisa ben please I'm for who is honorable Kyeremanteng because this is not the first time I resign from the NPP. We resign back but to on one party we did what on one party we for who is the team and the me who picture be crying daily is it daily graphic not order so Kyeremanteng resigned from quits NPP.
Yeah, that was way back.
Way back. Now Ocean the old picture. That's what the only difference is picture and yes, it's a picture and yeah.
Yeah, the same.
Yes, the same thing.
Yeah.
Between the end.
Nancy and I do ya war no ye and say party no NPP. Nipa na say anko resign by everyone. Way back. Those times now Kufuor office na a car kit where we know the Atamosa almost say a sanka before you be a 1 year. Or the young, but one resign. Fast forward, time my focal and the Quadrant Japan and Mafiano. Or deny Paula Focal. And before you deny those are in 2012 Mafia Kosopa from the camp of my friend said Jerry Kufuor and then a coffee. But he stood like a man. You see, Alan is not a true NPP man. No. He is not. Forget it, he is not. And I make us OBS resign before his time. Kufuor. Nanipa O2 Alan Fono. Every yasa O2 no to money say. You know what? The better than me can be. Me say NDC said John Mahama will need cry just for 1 term, 4 years. Uyo be aware smarter. And so who said this year no say yes NDC or me a cool job. Now going forward in 2028, you still have a chance. At that time no, now wait me your underground works here. Because Allah, I don't know, I didn't let you know, on him how to get them to himself. And only the problem. Now, while you're back home, or you're back on the how, and nothing that will come and shut you, you lost. What I say? Who somebody the same strategy be? Uncle Bisa, at my Kunadu, whatever, on your 0.12. Ghana, you will be a friend of traditional parties, A2, NDC, NPP. And yes, I believe I know, general no. And the symbol and the name of the party, and looking at comfort to Abba.
But some for say, oh, my bread NPP, NDC.
One I won't cast, but genuinely, Ghanaians are not. Mr. Wuna won't cast, they have tradition.
Okay.
NDC, tell my name, say NDC, you know. And when I'm who say you lie bad if you say you can collapse some part of bois, Ghana fa. JJ, only the founder of NDC, me boy.
Yeah.
Nigeria is a very strong woman. 31st Women's Movement. Now my nation I say, me boy. Ghana not them need control bibia me boy. Time man the can say me team and work for NDC mu na ko gina we onya 0.12. That should tell you. Niku ya found out. Na ni kru ti ase, ni kru born echi dom, bonya 0.12. Is answer. Enya wu nipa na wo no na sa we party no. And the symbol and the identity of the party no. That's why people vote. Until Allah should forget it. The only thing they can do is nyamaka no. Say only Kennedy babom. No matter party, no matter me sure about 5% of the vote, the floating voters no. No matter me key makers. And yes, I bad ya. No cast one no bad ya. You should forget it. Well, money no answer. We governor of the nation, all my business capa. Men are making a crash. One more business capa. One more year, you nobody. Maybe Ben America massa. Forget I do well, you unya. The only thing I've been say, if you have me a pulley car, now it's me a bit now say, I'm the kingmaker. I don't cry, I so unya, Canada, Japan, the cow. Now we are too strong force, now to me, a pulley floating waters, na NPP, call for the and the come on.
We said he should keep his pension money.
Me, at the Kuma and one Ghana presidency one for oh, here what we say, presidency, and you know, why are people so eager to go there? Bisao, when you come fast, I drink in your house, John Mahama, all but no fine man, none children white in him, or better us 2 years in a white. I can get the door so the on my way or hear a crown who say, make up of her. He should see somewhere enjoy his life. Maybe not. Girls will rebel now when you me. Maybe see about 2 bottom. My Mr. my Jimmy Cooley High, my Cotton Beach, my real girls, CBR, my wife.
Already girls, layer off.
Make us a year,
once the girls
and pay for said a crop, a cook.
That I Bruce. Yante a honor, same way there. Only for 99. Doctor to one check, I say, so for what the old thing, I'm say, okay, Kyeremanteng. Hey,
now, it's not me dying to me.
Okay, Kum Chacha, or say,
Number boss.
Aye,
the boss.
Kum Chacha, or say, Kyeremanteng, why the right thing? So I resigning to major kum hearty kum ne kum AK kum unity party and a KPP kum people's party into major in the party but why the right thing not also resigning and that who agree with him.
I saw him say only general secretary of the party. That's it. Kum party only general secretary.
I said I made to question with man to one
campaign manager. It is a campaign manager beside me say, Medina Yadria, make a natural.
And then the officer will come with it.
Look where Ghana, you sister, it is Kum. But I mean, can I say, yes, obey me. Also, adventure. I shall not drink. The baby, also so creative be. Say, be a nipa, a best, nipa be betonka. It is Kum. No, ya way. Say to me now, open. I know what the man.
I said, my case, we were here.
Oh, there be some in Council Belusu. So, you are aware, say, to me no open more the man. It will hear support. Support no here. Say, I resign the of a kind of one. And then man, the party in Dimba Costro. I'm a fighting Kumpreku party, no matter what you see. So, you're Bema. The party she shared down say, oh, yeah, Bema, no one to a banner my hair. Who got to do?
Hey,
it's a guess no more. I don't want it.
I saw for a way about it. I
want it. I see. I never see you. The boss neck. The boss is saying, Bema, one to about Kum Chacha. What to do?
So Sabi Kaka.
What did I can say you?
Sabi will Bema.
Tea. Oh, tea.
Bema.
Tea. Tea. A mamma dear, and a boy king. What I see? Bema kwatie de normal oba ya metue oba so na me piefi bae etimi be ma na nka asema emfata efa oba ho mitimi nka etina se bema ne oba koda bema ne oba ko have sex mini then sex chema so fika sem
odie
chema se
so my catch o so odie
o se de odie but when you go bro from am sex And then kind of normal sex.
Yes, normal. I don't know you can dream there.
What about you guys say more? Obi akodi obi. Yes sir. I know. And you see, you see I can say. Debbie, woman before
I church on manifesto and principles.
What is here? Make us much now. Never try. Me pray. And yes sir, who did here unu mu kwan never try.
I tell fault you. I will tell manifesto.
Nia member some church say. Brolisi sex. Having sex. Sex here then. Edie. And none here then. But man high see ya. And then sex.
Sex water.
Me know what that will pay me down so. Let me go to pan. And then for the sex.
Sex crowd.
Tina make no.
Uko failure there. Sex your bar. Female.
O Johnny asem no. O Johnny.
Yeah, pregnant.
Eti me tell say.
Me say oh.
Tie.
So kum chacha so say. Was it Alan Arizaya ya the partner say. Oh, one show. Me and the beautiful. Yeah,
good that say. On Alan cash on the account.
Okay.
Alan ebe kan ho. Say na me am tie campaign manager kwa make me is the mommy. But Alan ba is here. Campaign na never is shegu a process dey ba no. Ya ba ye be ma Ghana for e dan ka mun try na boso mo better monthly. Mun waiting 2 years bio.
Correction yen tue ni biom.
There no correction.
Hey,
e was what there.
I sorry that
No correction for them. Tema port. You be say rate no. Ya pa that first year no e be free. Oko afrao Togo no ba, o di never ba, e ma pant, e ma blazer no e free, so be free.
I don't know ma uni amasa.
E party safarete e. Com preocupati sarete e. E tu ya ma no one tell me cook cha what be wu. E dey here na cash.
I won't very first.
Sa.
That's when you serious.
Why we serious? Yeah, serious. Can you pon ko jira YouTube no? O kan de o si obe ma Ghana this year bia be sunya national tempo. And then
na mo crab brazier
o mo brazier. Na say ma na ba this time no. O mo go high lawyer e wa mo to ho. O to e to. Underwear. Underwear.
Ye jira ni mo ye count 5.
Underwear. Ba ye be set to. E to ba on ni botoso no. No akwa bi na de to hye. Me am be ma ko he meto we mo Italy ya ka ka meto nyina papa. You see? It is a kum say oba from Togo to Ghana. Oba bia bako crab raise the part and about free, no duty. Them port, put the name ba first year free. Lad bay, you better shop for cra. What must say? You see so no e be make sure say a dime rent no e be yen monthly. E don't hear cash. Ni need here, abeka ne die ho.
Achone no alaka to be vice na.
Alaba na.
Ono mo boma.
Alaba e be mano, ono no be kun vice.
Ono be kun vice.
No kuma president. What I say?
Party manager papa.
Oh line no.
Manager.
Wo kura be se me pe kwa me. Oh party no.
Me kai
Wa do ko achiri.
Different na me ba so ma me kai asama na na ba anamo etroye. O say in short, Alan K wants us to believe that me kai asama na na ba anamo o say in short, Alan K wants us to believe that majority of Ghanaians want him to be president, but the NPP is against him. Sana say Alan person
exactly. Exactly. You see, when they are sympathy votes, no, say almost person will give me party. One person give me party.
Ghana for permit to say president.
But it's a grown on FM. Meme there. Me say on the Kennedy Ebomo there. Both NPP and NDC they are in trouble because almost we are pulling like 4%, and 4% in general election is a huge figure. But Alan and Kwa stand here, trust me, only 1%.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's a fact.
Ken, Enko joining movement.
Yes, or joining movement, no Musimundia, they'll be the key makers. And only a year, and that's about me, I offer Alan Kyeremanteng advice for Ken as a finance minister.
Hey,
you be mine.
very possible.
Yes, you'll be a obetimi akache president say kwase asem na wo kan jai we dey say menye eno mi ne hia yes ye hia lame dark vice eno na aha till now ye hia vice obetimi akasa che president say masa ne aya ko ne de wo kosa ye ba ko shed ditch ni
ya sha na yere madam Patricia Christabel Kyeremanteng
oba mo fe pa eno ami ko no mo fe
on ba abonten sa entertain na no kasa ba utu say we dey ato any bekusie epie ebia
oba papa bia ukuru take decision whether good or bad you need to stand by him
who ni so na we influence
eno dey afa me ho baba ye say oba bi oye papa bia no ukuru take decision whether good or bad you need to stand by your husband. Let the world know say I stand with my husband. Who could be very full right as a wo on your papa on your by say waro. And say no me dey me hu no me say oh this a woman watch say through the thing whatever no me ni me kunu.
Na wo hwe na oni ni kunu yi ba na wo hwe sa bi.
Ala dey no fo. Ala dey oye Ghana for man no omo spec. Enti man beto man. Ghana for man say sara na mutuma Diego for ne jeji mo se be ma tenten ne ni sex no ba mo so be ma kokko na no ho efe no sa na mo te ala so do wo ye brane pa wo yo be ma wo si bo
na wajiji ade mutu
wajiji ade
oh ba unim uhuna spiritually no he's a president no doubt ba ka physical no se de be bem no I just say so be mu 99 na 99 ye sa de ni bi ba no ni o ye ma adwoma
Emani Berry.
I know it be man.
Oh, okay. But you know, or say, Nikunu, the right person for Ghana.
Oh, no doubt. You see, young family be Anton Chen.
And now, Council doesn't match now.
Oh, young family be no, maybe.
What's your qualities now?
You're taking all the sentiment from it. He's a good material. Obey me and pay Ghana to the next level. Provided, say, changing constitution. You're changing the same article. Yes, he's a good material. You see, the industrialization of Kano is the way to go. America, a good time, be our President Bisa or this agenda they buy. And no, America, yeah, America. China, the same person. Or those who say the way to go is to build factories. Or also the buyer now, or to be commission said we have cheap labor. No, China, a global power. And North Canada is the way to go. But as to obey me or Ghana, it's another story. Ghana, it's me, the organ. I want to mean your Babos up in Yano so or shit. Kingmakers no doors. Constitution that down a woman, a constitution that protects only the few, the politicians. And it will be a presser or become Rashi, or be a presser, mayor president. Now, constitution and protection. Tima before the constitution and protecting it protects only the few. That's why we need to change it.
Yes, NPP gurus will be entire Kyeremanteng. Who is saying, no, Omo no yen radio.
What's the name from?
NPP gurus. We have the men for.
When you are like, go back, try over Jenny Kumple, Wanakasa. What's a party? Let's go. Ghana de she bia nem say na na do all queen ala cash na ede e na eba sa na wo Ghana de she bia adwe mo but see na ateni ai be ye ba womia no so na ti bia no ala no nipa ni bi e be penase e bi so em penase e bi so ba go di ba o mechi but ade a e ma ala odi awro o kese o party no secret na me ka kire mo
Okay.
Ala na yura ho di the same nyina ne say before ania mwa no eni party ni mra e kire say ye ko election ya so okita position wo party ni mu a me ko ye campaign e ma obi okay obeti ma support ni pa no but ye nya campaign ye ntane pa na chi what I say because oni ni a obanya ye party ni mra but this election ya mo ko no omo bumra na so omo edi party na so because of say minister bia person on meeting the position of parliament DC bia person meeting the position of parliament MP they out because MP they home meeting ultimately because I say oh man tell me for the to abamon what am I say na omo yam election we no party chairman for nyina any party ministers DC for nyina akọ general baba ko echi ama parliament aye empty space ana do for nyina mama
no an empty space
obi ani parliament
me cheche
so mo ko tra parliament se ko so man no ka ko ho a obekọ no na akoye NDC fo kakra bi pe na wo ho NPP fo nyina ko di ba o mi echi eye campaign baby a ba o mi be ko bia no parliament fo a we NPP fo nyina adi na chi na ekọ ko obia pe na nim favor say o wini a o pe favor no o ba o mi echi echen say e bia me ye control minister person ba o mi meeting say me control minister e te say me bi ba o mi hu say me di na chi o mi nyina ko ta ba o mi echi etiema ala di awere ho osunye ala sunye ne kra sunye ne kra di awere ho say me ala ka sha benim say kana ko fa do kwa me na me ba no na say e na me de baye me say na me de baye me edi e ba sha no o say o to ba ni ala wan kasa ya bu ni ko fo nyina so wan kasa media fo mo bonatia say eti o me kasa ana ba ba de kasa e esi no akoda ne yiri aye ne yiri papa bi awufuo aya ben kwan a prekese dem wa no mu kwan no wa bibi aka ho agezi adaso nda ho se da bi ma me ya go to me party da chi kwa me ni wiase a na so obi tin be jame party we mu e de be wili election a me din kwa be ba Ghana record mu iti butaya o de go ti party no ana ma chiro
okay
iti be share the interview nura ministers need be former ministers former MPs ebi di nechi the one minister ba ku ebisa Adum TV for host no say general say obusa na kwashi bi ana boy na say no ni o ka kire no boy na say ana minister say they need change no mu say o man mo ya din ana ete ma minute 9 na mitimi dem mu say wow ye NPP strong member out the card our minister former minister and former MP ultimate jaka say o man mo ayedi eti yenti me fo ka so man mo ayedi a ya e bone it is like mo jaisa useless people out with me nya platform radio so TV so am back party say e ko yi some more ministers ipanifo na say ya no kasa ma MP for parliament e fa say chairman boss me gba interview bia metie o say na nado accept party no na se omo ko MP meeting a e say ma so mo timi ka mo so no na nado e ma mo so hu ono a ma party office wa fa party ni say esi o ye no no the personal party so ya clear o ya clear o eti na say that say bibi koso eti alakasi mu say squad yako di ba o mi echi
Go.
na say mo ministers no mo say o man mo e di e wo ye no the useless people be ala TV so
Ultimate this has a why? Post a party officer. I don't know how dynamite. Why?
Is that called one of my poaching?
Every yes, I ran a kajik, Ghana,
education was no, I want to go. Free education, for 6 months.
Why? Post that to me, Tare party officer. I don't know how dynamite.
6 months.
Uncle,
6 months.
What did you want? Who said, "Oh, we are Baboni for this." Why?
I was school.
Every yes, I ran a kajik, for 2 cacra. Oh, we will go to the
6 months.
Just walk out.
Okay. Oh, he said, not and I
allow to be this as a fool now. Why? Because that with Tare party officer. I don't know how dynamite.
To school. Yes, why? Free education, baby. What is the one? Who said, "Oh, we are Baboni school." Our pass.
Why?
Great.
Every yes, I ran a kajik, for 2 cacra.
Yeah, man, school. I can't pass no.
Yeah, we 39.
You see, yeah, man, school. They were pass no. I want 17, 15, 14, 20. Yeah, man, school. 6 year man school. Now, only. Yeah, man, school. This is now 4. Ego Tuyesika, which is 3,000 Ghana cedi, which is though this is 30 million, 20 million, 50 million. Ogo Tuyesika and I want for all of the school. Person the banner call. And the audience obey school. I know one beso. On guidance of money more heading, but let me just say, free education now more come. And you may chance here no, sister, and you're free, sir. No, but Uba was his boss way. The friend in the girl, the back penny or your back fresh baby pa. We saw one of the call shop and shop. Can be here, most of what they need. Most of what they need. So, now I call that boss, I shall call it Palm, I cannot turn his a pass, sir. I pass you. Not 1 year school. Can you say, when you're mentioned, you try them severe, not more resource the bar. Oh, I want to 1 year school. When I go here, I say, go school, we go here, we do one now. Schools need none and April. But then, no, yes, school April be moved. On my jacket, names no. It is a pass here. Yes, I was a dear chile. Echo Twiska. No, I told me, say, me, my banco for the pay you. But remember me back ako Medina school. It will get super Medina school there. We see can actually and the Ubanda was school now open.
Yes, right.
Oh, and you know, I'm saying, a penny for sister. A miracle say Ghana. You see, young school now, you near the a biba, a beer. Because I'm making life. I'm making life a year. I'm making life a year. Because he can't be a campaign. When we say, like I be sue, yisi. That yes. Me na me see yisi. As I see Ghana. Tie. Oh, officer media Ghana. Tell me look at
Who see
yisi. Ghana. We say see NDC. As I see NPP. Falling like me see omo. Me dey check up. Second court. That's me see me court. Supreme Court. Me go and me committee. Supreme Court. Register no. That time na COVID here dey buy no. Me call man me say me media me you to her. I say hey, she no smart. Answer. And I me share. And I say me how the same so. The party chow. Ghana ye mra na ye twerɛ no aye de to aba no enko yi eti pese ka mesiu NDC na mesiu NPP na mesiu oman Ghana na mesiu siu yi sika ho because of say ye to about 4 years sa 4 years no ye hwe sika ye de ye campaign ene sika ye say
tini pa na ka say
eti ka ye ko be 8 years prekope o wini a transfer 8 years ti say o party for ahwe ha na say nyama nko ye na say o lusu na say mu lusu a na say bo say aso papa wa be na che what you say ba me kan no man to before say wo so ye Ghana ni o kasa e betima ko sane ko ase ho lawyers no wo ho ko pa bi na faale me ba na mo da resi wo se bi ko to no mo ka tell me say e ka wo go ka wo say no I'll do it e jo mo me lawyer ni o good
no we ni am
no ni lawyer no ni ma me lawyer sesu medina MP that no onya nye MP ye that no sesu onya sati nya MP kwa yo ma fa na ofa
say o to me all the American politician one say o say constitution
bon ma fa that o pick me call no onya protect here no I don't get me say me friend secretary the office number me friend ya get me say answer na me hu lawyer no you say me 2,000 answer and I'm say na lawyer no ma me be my office e meeting no and na me hu say bia asema me di buy no e be boa ana emwa say o ka say me ntua na o be defend me court dia me problem
ma be tueri
me ntua sika ni wie na me ka ma say me ka say o ti me kwai na sika na share na you see etino adeti na obi ye MP again come MPO na say first time no 4 years no na say olulusu a okof obaji Ghana sika 4 billion
ori for 99 your time
osabeji ye guys account
just no worry on pa just no worry on
director o final words ye brother
oh me ma Kyeremanteng akwaba na ni amaka no na maka Ghana needs to rise again. Ghana politicians don't tell me. Rise here. We will let Ghana rise.
Now the more you occupy Julubi also.
Me because I had the monkey ticket. Me pay kumi prayer be.
No
kumi prayer. Me can't tell that me catch now. You see. So Ghana rise here. We will let Ghana rise. Into amunya careful.
Rebecca so threatening.
Me threatening ye. Demonstration dey be. Ba Ghana right, omo ni so omo ye. Abroad be ye nti omo pese Ghana kwa anim. Ye be ma Ghana akwa anim.
Okay. Yeah, Brenda, aso that professor na pastor final was.
Kakra metina kan say Alan Cash. Me boss asane me let it see. Anya say time kwa ke mo kan. Osi o de let na koma Alan Cash. Kumchacha.
Mami eno kwa de menya braka.
Da na me kasa do say time so. Because e wa ha o che ba no aka. Let na koma Alan Cash. Ti ala. Oti won de an wini ba bebe ni ku oba wini. Ko ba de ni ku so di a. Ni ma be ko yi am because ye ya so fo ye be bomb pa ya take fasting. E ma enya sitting. Yakopon ka obi bia ho. Imala good luck. Oyobia ni penasem. On pekasa bibiri. Ala on pekasa. Obi penasem pa. Ni woti e no. Bibia adia be bufu bia na o de yesere. Ni penasem. Neti imala good luck. Eni ni party na okote no. Na on make sure say the sika asem no e ko bebresu am for be din free. No matter what and free. Ye beka ba na wie na wan foot kwa unya e. Nyame shiram. Ni yeka wa he nyina no wo anko ya mo no fanisa e ko ye sumo so a fanisa odifo na tena before na mani ofa ebeboa wo e mi fanye sikasem be bia wo pia wo abrochi memu a otimba masore ho odi picture ba na hinta opia no nyame nkokron e de adom amame metime hu bibia aka kire so krata sem e de bedamia e de ba wo beta wo chi e na kwankire kakra akọ benum su osa beka okrata se awale no na abo so na juice obaboko a ofo different nine a nyame be na me so e de ajo adwuma sem na e demon so a for different nine nyame favor e be to so 0550 another 50 10 86 message to you 0550 50 10 86 ene abuche form number ni ufa no frame me mama hi WhatsApp a send picture ba hita se make chiro Ghana for there so ni 0249 05 0278 0249 05 0278 Frame Blabla kuma 101 ona be say nyame edadom amame menye omo a buga phone if I just kasem ma no kwapo ye nto offering because support the film boss wo ye nto offering ba na nya say be bom pai to different 99 na edi wachi no nyame be ya chi ma break am yakopa ka mo Yesu ama ochina e besa hia boss nyame hia say uta ma chi wo hunemu so
always
Odi 499 any director bedrooms and I cheche enkomo no. Ye dey ya no sem ana discussion no aba area. Dey kan ya yanka ni yi ba che dey ya wo de nsoso no. Eno ano no. Ya kan yi so ana odi a che. Aha too much midin e dey abna pretty. Na cram.